What's good? She's my baby number one lady. Yeah. Come on, yo. This how it go, this how it go. Yeah, she make a thug want sing. Have my offspring, I'm the king, she my queen. Nothing in between. Listen, girl, me and you, like a dream come true. I never thought that I would find somebody just like you. I've been through them all. Short, thick, and tall. Dark skin, slim, brown skin and all. But her description fits an Egyptian princess. And when she lick her lips, my desire intenses. Higher than fences, deeper than trenches. Sex so good, can't finish a sentence. Her big brown eyes easily convinces. Thick pink lips, so give me your French kiss. It's on now, baby, I'll go all out, baby. I'll do anything to please. Got you weak up in the knees. Creep under the sheets, what's happening underneath? Just imagine your fantasies turn to reality. Come on. Number one lady, no time for games. And from time to time, she's on my mind daily. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. The vibe is right, no more lonely nights. Just hold me tight, come on. This how she make me feel. She make me feel like, yo, she turn my grays to blues whenever she come around. Make a thug stop running around, running her down. Have some fun on the couch, we can take it from there. As I caress your body while I play with your hair. Let's take a walk on the beach and watch the sunset. 100% of love for you to come get. I ain't stuck on your booty, I'm in love with your mind. That's why I wanna make love to you all of the time. Spend a night on the town, take a cruise on the coast. Take you home with me, you my guest and I'll be your host. Keep you well entertained, baby, you never get bored. I give you everything that your man couldn't afford. Take a ride with this dude, you gon' see I'm the truth. Baby, I ain't running game, this between me and you. It's like peas and soup, we roll deep in the coop. I ain't concerned with your ex, what is he gonna do? Come on. Number one lady, no time for games, don't even try play me. She's on my mind daily. I wanna be with you, baby. No more lonely nights, hey. Come on. Make me feel, that's Damian Marvell playing hook though, F1N, all right? Hey, come on. She give me, hey, 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 yeah. She always hold me down, always hold me down. Come on. In this strong phone there, hey. Stand for the ladies, you know what I mean? All that right, saying nothing. You know what I mean? It's how we go. Hey, she's my baby number one lady. No time for games, don't even try play me. From time to time, she's on my mind daily. I wanna be with you, The vibe is right, no more lonely nights. I be there for you, girl, just hold me tight. Your smile so bright, but feel so right. Hey, yeah, she's my baby number one lady. Don't even try play me. She's on my mind daily. I wanna be with you, baby. Yeah, that song goes out to all the women in here though, cause all the women got going on. All the women, real thing, Hurricane, put out, right? No, me and my man Joe, we give out a track to do what we can do it. But anyway, right, I gotta drop a freestyle. You know what I mean? Cause he's the real freestyle king up in this piece. You know what I mean? Ben Skiller 4 time. Don't get twisted. Bigger Anonymous and all the other rappers that can't do the thing. Because we try and make this thing real. You understand? So let me drop saying here now. Yo, I mastered the art of rhyming. Check it. Okay. I mastered the art of rhyming. That's why I'm shining. Got your head bobbing and you can't even stop it. Why would you? How could you not be feeling me? Is it your hating tendencies? It seems they would never cease. My expertise leave you resting in peace. West to the east, address me as your excellency. It's time I confess to these streets, I'm the best over beats. If you don't know it by now, check how I put it down. We got a million wannabe rap stars spitting the same thing. Some of them claim king, cheap imitation name brand. A couple bootleg jiggers, some fake 50s, and these R&B groups looking like some gay sissies. I mean, this whole freaking industry puss. Couple starving ass artists still catching a bus. Sure they got talent, sure they got skill, but without any direction and the wrong complexion. See, I ain't tripping off you light-skinned artists, but it's light-skinned preferably over dark-skinned artists. Stop acting like you don't know what I'm talking about. Get signed to certain labels and they water you down. Stay true to yourself and learn the business side. It's 95% business. The other 5 is talent. You know what I'm saying? So don't think that you got it on when you ain't got it on, because you know I'm quick to drop a bomb. It's Ben Skill, I'm out. That's all I got for y'all. Brothers, 11 on the boom, boom, boom.